Hello, everyone. Hi, amazing humans. I'm Heather Fleming, founder of Conscious Nutrition. It's been a bit. I used to do these all the time, so I'm a little nervous and excited. I'm just having more fun with my business. I'm not going to go on TikTok right now and do some points and try to be cute and witty because I think I'm funny anyways and semi-cute, but I'm not going to try hard. I just don't want to. I don't want us to shit on ourselves with food or shit on ourselves with our business or whatever. So I'm having a blast and I hope you enjoy today's little fun post. So yeah, it's been one birthday party after another. It's been a lot of fun. I really just want to eat cheese and crackers right now instead of make this post and make the soup. Thank goodness I'm craving hot savory. So that's what inspired this. So we had our friend's birthday last night. So I was in charge of the veggie tray. And so I'm taking the celery and the carrots and making my artichoke soup for the soul artichoke soup for the soul. It's in my recipe book here. And I do the nutrition thing and I teach us not to be perfect and I teach us to trust ourselves and to listen to our cravings and learn how to emotionally eat. Like we're all like judging it from our head, but our bodies might have some common sense in there for us to understand. So more to come on that. So I'm making my artichoke soup for the soul. So I cut up, like I said, the celery and the carrots, and I think I'm going to do the snap peas and the red peppers with a rice ramen. So hopefully I'm in video mode tomorrow and I'll make that video for you. Or maybe I'll even just store this and make that tonight. I don't know. I'm kind of flowing, right? So I just my friend brought this olive oil back for me from Italy. So we're just using good old olive oil. Warm that up, and then I'm just going to add the celery and carrots, marinated artichokes, and I found a good vegetable broth. And then for the ramen, I'm going to do a mushroom broth here. Mushroom broth. All right. So I do nutrition. Nourish University is my program, and then you can do that either group or private. I do live programs throughout the year. Because I was just got on the phone with my friend Buffy from Conscious Movement. She goes, there's no such thing as being completely stable. We're not just, it always works. We have to get out of balance to find the balance. So that's all I want for you. So I created this program, Nourish University, for you to flow. And so you can keep tuning back into you because we all feel off or on, right? Like that's the old paradigm. Now we're just nourishing ourselves the best we can. So this inspired me when I looked at the veggie tray in the fridge that I was like, I'll make this. So instead of eating cheese and crackers all day and watching Below Deck, I am making this instead. With my cute dog. Here's Ruka. She's whining because she thinks that I'm going to feed her some meat. So she's just checking. So cute, Ruka, in the vibe. So if you're curious and you need support for 2023, wherever you're at on this platform, whatever platform, or you can just message me. We can set up a one-on-one and chat and see if we fit together like, I call it almond butter and jelly. See if we fit together like almond butter and jelly. All right, let's go ahead and just throw the carrots. This is seriously, you can do onions too. I'm just not in the mood for onions. I'm needing a little more gentle. We were outside and it got a little chilly. So my immune system's a little bit dipping and my digestion is tired is what I like to say. I don't want to make it feel good or bad because, again, we're humans. We ebb and flow. So my digestion's a little tired. So this is the perfect timing to have this soup. So you marinate that for a little bit. But saute that. But these are marinated artichokes. I'm putting the whole thing in. I'm going to use that juice too. Put the whole thing in. So I'm doing two jars. These are quartered. You can cut them up if you want. But they kind of break down a little bit in the soup. And then vegetable broth and seasoning. That's it. That's all we wrote. And let that simmer for, what do you think? I would say probably the carrots and celery, probably like 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna use the whole thing here too. How easy was that? Oregano would be really good for your immune system in here. Let's see what else I have. I have my buddy's supplements or seasonings in here. My buddy Matt's from Tamata. So salt shock, a little bit of that. I don't do well with tons of garlic, so do you. So I'm just going to season this and then let it cook up. All right, everyone. Thanks for welcoming me back. Yeah, nutrition is a constant evolution, and the only one that can work with your own stuff is you. We're going to have resistance every day. We're going to have other challenges. You think you have a schedule and then something changes it. So you're eating something you didn't expect to eat. So how kind are you during those times? That's all I want for you. And that's what I share, teach, live. So, all right, everyone, let me know if you need anything. Oh, can you see the soup? Kind of see it. Sorry. Get my setup. We're on an RV break right now, so I'm living in an awesome warm apartment, and then there'll be maybe more videos coming from the RV. All right, let me know if you need anything. Happy thanks everything and holidays to you all.